absolute rest. So neither absolute rest nor absolute motion are possible. So the motion which we are studying, that is always a relative motion. In relative motion, we will study the concept of relative velocity. Relative velocity means the velocity of a body as seen by the another person who himself is in motion. Say two bodies, one A is moving with velocity V in this particular direction, and another person B is moving with velocity VB in this particular direction, such that the angle between the directions of their velocities is theta. Then if we have to find out the velocity of B with respect to A, that is as seen by A, so then velocity of B with respect to A will be found by making A at rest. It means by making A as observer. To make A as an observer, we will have to bring A to rest. This moving person or moving body which is moving with velocity A can be brought to rest by imposing a negative velocity of same magnitude as it is having over it. It means VA minus VA will bring A at rest, while in this condition velocity of B will become VB minus VA. So VB minus VA will be the velocity of B with respect to A. If it is represented as VBA, velocity of B with respect to A, then this will be given by VB minus VA. The formula for determining the magnitude of difference of two vectors gives the magnitude of VBA is equal to under root VA square plus VB square minus 2 VA VB cos theta. VA square plus VB square minus 2 VA VB cos theta, it will give the magnitude of velocity of B as seen by A. If its direction is to be found, then direction from the direction of vector A, direction of BBA from the direction of vector A can be given by phi equal to tan inverse. If it is taken from the direction of vector A, then VB direction of A, then VB sin theta upon VA minus VB cos theta. It means this expression will give the magnitude of velocity of B as seen by A, while this expression will give the angle made by VBA from the direction of motion of A. Now, if we want to find out velocity of A with respect to B, then velocity of A with respect to B will be directed opposite to that of VBA. It means magnitude of VAB will be same as that of magnitude of VBA, but direction this time, direction of VAB will be opposite to that of VBA. This concept of relative velocity is used whenever we are considering the motion of a body as seen by another body who himself is in motion. Like if rain is falling and a person is moving, say towards east, and the rain is falling vertically. It means it is the velocity of rain with respect to ground, and it is the velocity of man with respect velocity of rain as seen by man, or you may say with respect to man, will be given by VRM, and it will be velocity of rain minus velocity of man. To find out the velocity of rain with respect to man, it is velocity of man with respect to ground, it is velocity of rain with respect to ground. To subtract VMG from VRG, we can write it as VRG plus minus VMG. VRG plus minus VMG. It means if we represent it diagrammatically, then it is VMG, it is VRG. Minus VMG will be obtained by reversing the direction of VMG. And if we have to add minus VMG in VRG, then the resultant will be somewhere here. So to the man moving on the road, the direction of rain appeared to be this one. This angle can be measured either from horizontal or from vertical. If one asks that in which direction person should hold the umbrella, then this direction will give the direction in which the person will have to hold umbrella to protect herself or himself from the rain. Say now the person doubles his speed. If person doubles his speed, then say the speed becomes up to here. It will become 2 VMG. So if the speed will be doubled, then in this direction minus 2 VMG will come up to somewhere here. So the resultant will come up to somewhere here. If resultant will comes up to somewhere here, then we will find that as the speed of the person will increase, the direction made by the relative velocity of rain with respect to man will increase from vertical, or you may say that the rain will appear to come from the direction of his own motion. If the velocity of man becomes infinite, then the rain will appear to come only from the horizontal direction to the man. So it was a concept of relative velocity. The magnitude of VRM can be found by using this expression, and its direction either from the direction of car, direction of rain, or from the direction of man can be determined by using this expression.
8 मिनट 9 सेकंड।
छोटा सा टॉपिक है तो इसमें और बहुत सारी बातें बोली जा सकती हैं।